Hello friends, today we will discuss difference between syllabus and curriculum. Syllabus and curriculum are related, but they are distinct educational terms. So they have differences. Syllabus A syllabus is a detailed outline for a document that lists the specific topics, readings, assignments, and assessments for a particular course or subject within a curriculum. So, syllabus comes under curriculum. It focuses on the content and structure of a single course. Its scope is narrow, specific to one course or subject. Its purpose is to guide students and teachers on what will be covered, when, and how learning will be evaluated. Its components are topics, schedule, reading lists, assignments, exams, grading policies, and deadlines. We can understand with an example. For a high school biology course, the syllabus might include Week 1, cell structure and function, that is chapter 1 of textbook. Week 2, photosynthesis, chapter 2 of textbook. Assignments weekly, quizzes, lab report on plant cells. Final exam, 30% of grade covering all topics. Now comes curriculum. Curriculum is a broader framework that encompasses the overall content, goals, and learning outcomes for an entire educational program or subject area across multiple courses or years. Its scope is comprehensive, covering a program, grade, level, or subject area over time. Purpose: it defines educational objectives, skills, and knowledge students should gain by the end of program or academic period. Its components are learning standards, objectives, teaching methods, assessments, strategies, and progression across the course of years. It can be understood with an example. For a high school biology curriculum, it might include one basics of biology, advanced topics, evolution, human anatomy, biotechnology, goals to understand biological process, develop lab skills, apply scientific inquiry, assessments, projects, standardized tests, practical exams, and across the years. Curriculum includes all the activities inside the school or campus where scholastic and co-scholastic activities are included. So, curriculum is broader concept. Syllabus is a part of curriculum.